So what I'm doing is keeping this bobber bouncing, making it look like a shad. There go another one. What's a big one? Welcome back. We are out here. This is the second day at the Spillway. First time I came out here, they had the water all the way down. You guys may have seen my last video where I lost the bath. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Got one slipping on the spot. That's a good one. That's a good one, guys. Bass. But this time they turned the water up real high, which is usually my favorite time to come out here because they push those fish down in the woods and those small little eddies. Man, they have all kind of species of fish in it. So what we're gonna go do is take this crappie bobber down here, use a monkey milk with a 1/32 ounce crappie hook here, and we're gonna try to see if we can wear out, man. We might catch a little bit of everything. But stay tuned, we're gonna see what we get. All right, we have got a spot. Too much setting up. I'm gonna start off with what I was showing you guys earlier. We're gonna see if there's anything in here. I'm gonna be hung, bro. A turtle? What the crap, bro? I hit a turtle. Bro, a turtle bit a crappie jig, bro. Did he bite it or I just snagged him? No, he... No, it's his foot. What in the world? I think I just snagged him in the foot. Oh, there you go. That was an odd thing to hook. Sheesh. Like the gauze, I ran all the good fish away. Well, we're gonna go to the white and chartreuse. Hopefully that makes some kind of difference. I'm not really seeing anything here though, honestly. Haven't gotten a confirmation to see. Thinking that these fish would be laying right in these little quiet places. The water's real hectic still. Where did the crappies went to, bro? They can't be out of the water, bro. There go one, guys. Finally, we got one. Caught one slipping. They in the corners. That one was all the way in the corner. He's not a big guy, but he's a fish. We caught him with the white and chartreuse. Got back to the corner again. I think they just trying to tuck away from these guards, man. There's a lot of guards in this lake. Another one, guys. That's a big one right here. There we go. That's what we're looking for. There we go. Just like that. That's a good one right here. Just like that. That's the second one. Once we find one, we find a school. Just like that, guys. And I was just about to call it a day over here because I didn't think anything was over here. Good solid crappie right there. The color and found the area. Let's see if we can keep this going over there. They liking this corner for some odd reason. So what I'm doing is keeping this bobber bouncing, making it look like a shad. There go another. What's a big one? Another big one. That one bigger than the last one. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's 3 of them. So that's what we do. We keep that bobber moving. Look at that, he wanted that bait. White and chartreuse. Just like that, guys. Once you find a pattern, stick to it and keep throwing it to the same spot here. There we go.